Okay, this is for the people that want to move the clutch basket on the Cr80 and Cr85. I think they the same. Okay, you got to remove 9 bolts, and the 2 at the bottom, and then the rest on the side right there, and then I got 1 missing right there. And you don't have to remove the water pump or the water pump cover to replace them, or these 2 bolts that's by the water pump. You don't have to remove neither one of them. Okay, after you remove this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, that one, that one. All the ones that are on the outside of the case, like how I drew the diagram. Then after you do that, use the clutch right there to make it push up off itself, so you ain't got a hammer on it. Just keep on pushing it until it wiggles off. Usually the backside get stuck in there because of the Kickstarter. So you got to push the Kickstarter through so it'll come off easily. Sorry, I got the call. Hold on. So then, after that, you get to the clutch baskets. Then I went ahead and pulled this because I'm rebuilding the whole bike. But you remove these 2 bolts right here for the clutch basket. And then it's going to be, let me show you. Set this to the side. Set this to the side. And after you do that, you're going to have these springs and these bolts. Remove them. And what else is going to be there is this right here. It goes to push that down with the little nub that pushes in. So make sure you don't lose it. Let me show you where it's at. Hold on. Okay, it's going to be that little thing once you pull the clutch cover off. Let me show you. Hold on, let me put the camera down real quick. Look just like that. And it goes in that hole right there. It should sit flush with it. So make sure you get to sit flush with it by spinning the clutch actuator. So then after that, your trouble is gonna be trying to get this bolt loose if you don't have an impact. So yeah, I don't have an impact here with me. So what I did was I grabbed this right here, stuffed it in right there, and I used my ratchet to get it off. Like, keep that from moving. So you push down on that at the same time as twisting that bolt, and it'll come loose.